If you need to unlink your Stripe account from Facebook, follow these simple steps. This process will help you disconnect your payment processing from your social media account. Step 1. Log into Facebook. Access your Facebook account by entering your credentials. Make sure you are logged into the account that is linked to your Stripe account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the Facebook page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Business Integrations. In the left sidebar of the Settings page, find and click on Business Integrations. This section lists all the apps and services connected to your Facebook account. Step 4. Locate Stripe. Scroll through the list of integrations until you find Stripe. Click on it to view the details of the integration and the permissions granted. Step 5. Remove Stripe. After selecting Stripe, you will see an option to remove or disconnect it. Click on Remove and confirm your choice to unlink your Stripe account from Facebook. After following these steps, your Stripe account will be successfully unlinked from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to customer support for either platform.